I invite you to a free seminar and your link will be provided at the end of this video. Want to know the best part about internet business? You can run it in your spare time, work from anywhere you want, and soon make enough money to get everything you want in your life. Each and every day, your internet business works on its own to put money in your pocket. And it's one of the single best ways to make money in this tough economy. In fact, if you're not cut out to work the 9-to-5 grinds under the watchful eye of some strict boss, an internet business gives you more freedom and flexibility in your life. And you can make a heck of a lot more money than working for someone else. Maybe you want to pay off some bills or take a nice vacation whenever you want? Maybe you want to buy all the newest toys and electronic gadgets. Or the fast sports car, the dream house, and the flashy clothes? Whatever you want, it's all possible. Let me show you how in this free seminar. https://t2m.io/jungmz8gj